Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OnePlus Nord CE 5. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now click on whatever you want to in all the other ones. Finally, you can select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive right next to Send at the bottom of OnePlus. Going back to an Android using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a few just for example. In the last two categories, which are contacts and files, hit allow a few more times to access them. When you're done, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. If you decided to transfer any app, hit OK in the pop-up. And then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip 1 to decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, choose scanning icon above User Guide on OnePlus. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit Receive button to connect. Then wait. Close all ads, and as you can see after that, my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!